What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, here with another episode. Today, what we're going to be making is one of my favorite chicken dishes, possibly of all time. It's just time to home make it, you know what I mean, dude? We also got MSG. It's real not right there, right? Here's what you need to get started making your crispy sesame chicken. Now, to get you started, you're gonna need to crack a couple of eggs into a bowl. And by eggs, I mean egg whites, farm fresh. Shout out to my godchild Eve for these fresh green eggs. And just give those egg whites a nice whisk. Pour a couple tablespoons of soy sauce into the egg mixture, along with 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar and a couple tablespoons of vodka. Mix generously and throw a little bit of your mixture into a bowl. We'll use this later. Add a little bit of baking soda and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch into your mixture. This will be real nice and thick right there. Now, a recommendation on the chicken front: do not buy bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs like your boy. Buy them without, and your life will be so much easier. Chop your chicken into 1-inch even pieces. Throw them in your mixture. Toss them around. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Throw them in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now for the batter: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornstarch, well, kind of 1 cup, 1 tablespoon sea salt, and 1 tablespoon baking soda. And let's make sure your original vessel is big enough to fit your ingredients, and then whisk it up all together to homogenize your ingredients. Remember the mixture we set aside? Yeah, we're using it now. Pour it in your dry mixture, and this is what's going to cause the chicken to have those cragglies that make the crispy chicken so good. Get your stations ready. We're gonna dunk this chicken in our mixture and set it in a bowl, and it's ready to fry. Pour some frying oil of your choice in a pan, heat it to 325, and drop your chicken pieces in there and fry them up for 3 minutes apiece. Put them on a wire rack and immediately hit it with some salt. Now for the sauce, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons ketchup, 3 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon Szechuan peppercorn, onion powder, and sesame oil. Mix that all together real nice right there. Get yourself a nice wok, pour some oil around the edges, season it a little bit, throw your sauce in the pan, twirl it around, pour in a mixture of half cornstarch, half water to make this thick. Pour your chicken directly in the pan and make sure every single nook and cranny are coated head to toe in the sauce. Pour some sesame seeds on and do another toss for the flex, why don't you? Ooh, look at that chicken. Can't forget, gotta sprinkle some MSG on this. Ooh. My kitchen just smells amazing. I cannot wait to dive in. First bite. Whoa. Just listen to this crunch. Huh. How could I forget a little Cooper's Hawk Riesling? I mean, just a fantastic pairing. Thank you all for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. I'm gonna go enjoy more of this Cooper's Hawk wine and the sesame chicken. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.